At TP, we had two priorities: to support the country's essential services and critical infrastructure, and to protect the safety of our colleagues, customers and communities. While we'll continue to support essential services, we're taking new steps to better support our loyal trade customers, the construction industry and the economy. And this will be done carefully following social distancing and safety protocols. For trade, cash and credit account customers only, we will be offering deliveries and pre-arranged collections from selected branches. We've taken measures to ensure we can make safe, contact-free deliveries to customers from certain branches. Customers can order by phone or email, and the branch team will confirm the delivery details and the estimated delivery time on the day. We must maintain social distancing rules while we offload. If we can't operate safely, deliveries may be returned to the branch. We won't need customers to sign for the delivery either. A photo will record what's been delivered and where. Customers will also be able to pre-order materials and tool hire to collect from certain branches. Once an order is placed, we'll confirm the availability and give a collection time slot. A member of the team will greet customers at the gate and direct them to a collection bay. On this occasion, customers will need to load vehicles themselves. Tool hire demos can be arranged, but at a safe distance, and the tool hire team will confirm details of hire period and charges in a follow-up email. Customers can call us to arrange for hire gear to be taken off hire and collected. Our drivers will call with an estimated time of collection on the day, so we'll need equipment leaving in a safe, accessible and secure area where we can maintain 2 meters social distancing at all times on collection. All hire equipment is cleaned and disinfected before and after hire. Customers can also order online for a home or site delivery from a temporarily reduced range.
Being able to support my customers with essential materials that allow them to keep working is what I come in for. Knowing I can do the best for my customers in a safe way is a relief, and it's good to know that my company supports me.
Please follow these guidelines and help us to do our bit to continue to support the country with essential building supplies in a safe way. For more information, please visit our website, travisperkins.co.uk.